This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, November 27th. Passengers who signed up for Life at Sea Cruises' inaugural 3-year world cruise faced major disappointment when they learned late last week that the company canceled the voyage over not having a cruise ship. Initially scheduled to depart from Istanbul and then Amsterdam, the cruise line faced multiple delays and changes in departure locations before eventually being called off. Many passengers, having sold or rented out their homes ahead of the voyage, are now stranded waiting for refunds, which the company plans to issue in installments. The cruise's failure was due to financial issues and the inability to purchase the ship Aida Aurea, which was eventually purchased by Celestial Cruises, entering service next year. And the Carnival Panorama is set to have its funnel removed to fit under the bridges of the Columbia River before entering dry dock in Portland for repairs. Currently docked in Victoria, Canada due to propulsion issues, the ship will head to Vigor Shipyards in Portland, Oregon, once a slot does open up for it. This photo here courtesy of Michelle, who lives in Victoria. Now, after repairs, it plans to resume service on December 23rd with a 7-night cruise from Long Beach down to the Mexican Riviera. And on Thursday, the Bimini Cruise Port marked a significant milestone by welcoming its 1 millionth cruise ship passenger. Those passengers were George and Andrea Saucedo from Plantation, Florida. I hope I pronounced that correctly. They arrived on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. Now, since opening in July of 21, the port has hosted 500 cruise ship calls, with the Scarlet Lady making the most appearances at 166 calls. Looking ahead, the Scarlet Lady and other Virgin ships have already secured bookings for 75% of the capacity for 2024 and 85% in 2025. Way to go. And cruise line stocks were all down less than 1% on Friday. Carnival Corporation 14.41, Royal Caribbean 104.45, and Norwegian 14.37. If you have a lead on a story, you can send it our way. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Monday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.